All right, we're up underneath the mill. This is the southwest corner, and quite frankly, this is the worst part of the structure. If you notice right up there, that is the bottom of the square beam in the corner of the building. The post that would go from there all the way down into the bottom of this water stream is completely missing. It's gone. So right now as we speak, and yes, we are sitting up underneath here, every bit of this side or this corner of this building is actually cantilevering out with no support. Now if that don't tell you something about the construction of the past, I don't know what does. And the way that it's put together with mortise and tenon and peg is actually what's holding this thing up. So we've got the challenge of find the concrete pad and cut and install a new 10 by 10 post, pin it to the pad, bring it up to the bottom of that post in order to replicate what was here. But it's all for the longevity of the building and make it rigid and sound again.
All right, so I just walked down in here. Daddy, a pan up there, you'll see where we got to come from a post up here and come all the way here. You see where my leg is? That's that piece of concrete I was hoping existed. So I'm gonna try to stand up on it here. But at least we still have our pillar. And then I should be able to get a measurement. Is we're gonna go to the sawmill at home. I've got some cants that Dad and I have already pre-cut. And these logs are already dry. They've been sitting there up underneath the shelter for give or take 5 or 6 years now. We're gonna take that timber, put it on the mill, and if that's what we want is a 10 by 10, which is what all these are measuring, it's probably what we're gonna use in this situation, unless we measure something up there that might be a little different, because that's what we do, is custom. So when we get everything cut at the mill, we are going to treat that timber. It's going to create that post to be waterproof.